Turkey Brook Park in Mount Olive. It's a 267-acre park with 6 grass soccer fields, 1 AstroTurf field, 4 baseball fields, 1 nicely lit football field for games and a practice field, 2 tennis courts, 2 volleyball courts, 2 basketball courts, a 1.5-acre dog park, and a lot more that I'd like to show you. One of the landmark features of Turkey Brook is the Seward Mansion, which is this historic farmhouse that you're going to see as soon as you drive right into the park. It's the former home of Henry Seward and his son. Mount Playmore is an 11,000 square foot playground with swing slides and a lot of fun area to run around for the kids. In the summertime at Mount Playmore, the kids can even check out a little water park it has called Pirates Cove. Along with all the recreational sports and the playgrounds, you can also take a nice jog or a nice hike over to Myers Pond. I've actually been doing both past this pond for a long time. It's frozen right now, but in the summertime it looks really nice and it's refreshing to watch too. One of the most unique features for Turkey Brook Park is the All Veterans Memorial, a little tribute to all the armed forces in the US and even to the canines as well.